Okay, for this next question, number 3, we have two boxes with very different masses. So this is box M and this is box M as well, but capital M. So we have these two boxes, and the question is saying if the force acting on this box, these boxes are connected. If the force acting on box little m is the same as the force acting on box big M due to the little m. So we want to know this force. Is the force of M, big M, greater than the force on little m? Or is the force on big M less than the force on little m? Or is the force on big M equal to the force on little m? So that's what we're trying to figure out. What the force is like. Oops. Okay. Let me erase this. Okay. So, in order to figure this out, we need to know that M, big M, is greater than little m. And little m is less than big M. So now that we know those two, we can use the equation that the force divided by 1 plus little m divided by m, we can use this equation to help us figure out what the force acting on big M is like compared to little m. So using this equation, we see that the force divided by 1 plus little m divided by big M is 0.1. So we know that little m over big M is equal to 1 divided by 10. Let's say the mass of little m was 1 and the mass of big M is 10. So 1 divided by 10 will give us 0.1. So this shows us that the force acting on little m is greater than the force acting on big M, because this force is going to have a greater number when you divide it using this equation than this one. So this force F is greater than this force